Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car fresheners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Car Air Freshener and Purifier. This one got the top list of the best car air freshener. This car freshener bag will help eliminate odor from your car with ease. It comes in a handy sack that contains active ingredients that not only absorb the bad smell but also create a fresher environment. Furthermore, the pleasant fragrance, though mild, lasts for a long time and comes in a convenient 300-gram pack. Made from high-quality bamboo charcoal, this product also filters allergens and bacteria, ensuring the environment is more hygienic and other than car use. This car freshener is also suitable for the kitchen, store, bathroom, litter box, closet, and many other applications. And considering it's made in the USA, you are assured of good quality. Moving on at number 4, we have the Smoke and Odors Eliminator Gel. Car Air Freshener, one of the best car fresheners. This blue-colored freshener ranks as one of the top car fresheners for a couple of reasons. 1. It comes in a handy and convenient 127 grams, 4.5 ounces pack that can be slotted in on different locations. 2. The odor-eliminating gel works reasonably fast and lasts for a moderately extended period. 3. The twist top makes adjusting the strength of the fragrance comfortable and also convenient. Apart from in-car use, this product can be used in the home, office, store, and other places. Consumers also like its pure nature, compact size, and the not-so-strong scent. At number 3, we have the Plug-ins Car Air Freshener Starter Kit. One of the key attractions of this car freshener is its excellent design and size that make using it simple and easy to use. Consumers also positively talk about its natural and mild scent that slowly diffuses into the air and also combats most types of odors including sweat, cigarette smoke, mildew, mold, dampness, pet odor and more. Lastly, the included 7 reusable refill pads allow you to change the scent as your desire without spending too much time or money. At number 2, we have the Car Air Purifier, Car Air Freshener. Besides being one of the best car fresheners, this product by Freak is also a car air purifier. It ranks as one of the best when it comes to strength and is said to release as many as 4.8 million negative ions for every cm cubed. In simple terms, it will slowly diffuse into the environment and combat even the strongest odors. Moreover, the result is a pleasant-smelling and odor-free environment. It also eliminates bacteria, allergens, molds, mildew, viruses, and more. Despite its smallness, this handy pack's fragrance lasts for a decent period before a replacement is needed. And finally at number 1, we have the Car Air Freshener. Designed for odor elimination, this charcoal color air freshener is suitable for use in most cars, closets, and other places. Moreover, it comes in a handy and well-ventilated bag that contains natural Moso bamboo charcoal. On top of that, this best car freshener absorbs the entire lousy odor from the surrounding and will work in the space of up to 90 square feet. Over time, the bad smells will disappear and what remains is the natural, fresh, and user-friendly smell. To guarantee the user as well as the environment of cleanliness and safety, this air freshener does not contain any chemicals, fragrances, parabens, or toxins. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.